I really like these, but my boy, man, he did them no justice. So we're gonna bring them back. So starting out, we're gonna remove the laces. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, next, we're gonna clean these bad boys. But first, we're probably gonna get in there in these grooves, get all that out, using a toothpick. So, I don't know, that'll take some time. You can see it's significantly less stuff going on with this one. We're gonna get into it, man. Okay, now that we got these soles done, I removed the outsoles, the insoles, and we're gonna clean them using this here shoe cleaner and these here brushes. Get into it. Before we do that, I just want to say, Shoe Grenades got these great kits. I'm not sponsored by these dudes or anything, but they got these great kits. And they come with 3 different brushes, a soft, a medium, and a stiff bristle brush. When you're cleaning your uppers, your leathers, and whatnot, use the soft, maybe the medium, but never use the stiff one. You just tear your leather up. You do more damage than good. So, just be soft, trust the process, and get into it. Okay, so now that we got the shoe all cleaned up, well, try to get most of that dirt off the bottom, but we're gonna take care of the rest of this later. I'm gonna stuff the toe boxes on these shoes and get the creases out. All that out. That's no bueno. Look at that, man. The Iron Method is undefeated. Really good at what I do. Alright, next. Okay, so now that we got the shoe taped off, we're gonna be applying some Salon Care 40 with a paintbrush and putting them in the light box so we can get these soles back all the way white. Okay, this is what they look like when they come out of the light treatment. You can see we got a lot of that. We got this back pretty much all the way white. So now the only thing is to do a couple little touch-ups and lace these bad boys back up, and then we ready to go. I think these turned out really clean, man. You know what I mean? There's a lot it does for do with these. But I appreciate you guys viewing the channel. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn me up, huh?